The Nexus 5 Take Apart and Repair Directions, brought to you by DirectFix.com. Fix your broken iPad with parts from DirectFix.com, and remember to use coupon code YT7 and save 7% off your next order. Please read this warning thoroughly before attempting to repair your device. Begin by completely powering off your device. Using a SIM card removal tool, remove the SIM card tray. Run a case opener tool along the edges of the phone, removing the back case. With a Phillips screwdriver, remove these 6 screws. Using your case opener tool, remove the plastic shield covering the motherboard. Disconnect the large ribbon cable for the speaker assembly and charge port from the motherboard. Disconnect the forward and rear facing cameras from the motherboard. And disconnect the battery. Disconnect the antenna cables. There's one on either side of the battery connected to the motherboard. Using a large case opener tool, carefully remove the battery. You can now carefully lift up and remove the motherboard. You can now remove the rear-facing camera, forward-facing camera, headphone jack, and ear speaker. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove these 4 screws securing the loudspeaker. Remove the loudspeaker. Disconnect the charge port from the screen assembly and use a case opener tool to carefully pull it off. the fully disassembled Nexus 5. We're going to begin reassembly with a brand new screen assembly. Begin by placing the charge port and antenna ribbon into the bottom of your screen assembly. Connect the screen assembly to the charge port ribbon. This is for your virtual touch buttons, the bottom of your screen. Place the speaker module and secure with 4 Phillips screws shown in the red circles. You can now place your rear-facing camera, forward-facing camera, headphone jack, and ear speaker into the screen frame. Now place the motherboard. And now place the battery. Now connect your rear and forward-facing cameras to the motherboard. Now connect the 2 antenna cables. There is one on either side of the battery. Now connect your long ribbon cable for the charge port. And finally plug in the battery. Now place the plastic shield over the motherboard and secure with 6 Phillips screws shown in the red circles. You can now place the back cover onto the phone, place the SIM card into the phone, power up, and enjoy your device. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more repair videos from DirectFix. For all your cell phone parts, accessories, and service needs, go to DirectFix.com now.